Hello guys, what's going on today? We're going to talk about Sakura School Simulator, and I'm going to show you guys step by step in this tutorial how I found a mod which can unlock everything inside of the game. So I'm going to show you step by step that how I did it. If anyone is interested to do it, just follow this tutorial until the end. You're going to be able to get this mod also, you guys. The method I find it out, it's working for the both devices, iOS and Android. Today I decided to show you the steps with my Xiaomi, but the same steps are working also with iOS users. I already tested my iPhone, right now I'm recording with it, but if you want me to make a tutorial for the iOS users, guys, just let me know in the comments below. I'm gonna make a tutorial with my iPhone for you guys, okay? As I mentioned before, steps are the same for the both devices, but for any kind of reason you might have, you want me to make a tutorial for the iOS users, just let me know. Okay, guys. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going immediately inside of the game to show you what I'm talking about, and then I'm going to show you what you have to do and where you have to go in order to get this mod, which is going to unlock the game. Okay, so right now we're inside of the game, guys. So what I'm going to do, first of all, because you're going to get this mod menu over here which says unlock all, so I'm going to select costumes over here. You can see that we have a lot of locked ones. Okay, then we go back over here and then we press this mod menu, unlock all, then we go back again to the costumes over here, and you can see we have everything unlocked, guys. Everything unlocked. All right, and then you can choose like you prefer to play with it. Okay, so this is my video tutorial that I'm going to show to you guys that how you can get this mod. So make sure you're gonna watch until the end in order to understand all you have to do. So now we're going to show you guys, that what you have to do before you start the loading process. Before you start this downloading process, you just need to make sure about the internet, guys. Okay, this is a very important step. Make sure you're gonna have connection with Wi-Fi and mobile data, so the whole process doesn't interrupt because of internet connection, so the whole process can be done correctly, okay, in order you can get this mod. And then after you make sure about the internet, all you need to do, you just need to go to your internet browser for the both devices. You need to go to internet browser, you need to go to the searching bar and search about this website over here. When you enter inside of this website, you're gonna have different categories over here: games, apps, mods, and so on. And there are many apps and mods inside. So we are looking for a mod, or you can go to press the mod and scroll it down to find it where it is, or you just search in the searching bar about Sakura. And here it comes, Sakura School Simulator mod. Press the blue sign over on the side. You have the whole information about the game over here. And what you have to do, you can read it later, and then you're gonna press the blue sign over here. And by the end of this process, you're gonna be able to install the mod on the game, guys. So this is my video tutorial for today, guys. I hope it was helpful and useful. And before we leave this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the like button. Thank you for watching, guys. Cheers. Just to mention one more time, guys, before I leave, so if to any one of you is going to require any extra step by the end of this process, make sure you're gonna complete what is required, because this is because of the region where you're situated. Okay, so it's going to happen. Complete what is required, you're gonna be able to get the mod same as me. So this is my video tutorial for today, guys. I hope it was helpful and useful, and before you leave, don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the like button. Cheers.